Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, Product Specialist and Love Promise Coordinator at Santa Cruz Subaru. Today we're going to talk about your headlights. If you're new to the channel, I like to make videos about Subaru and impart my wisdom and my knowledge over the last 18 years of my working here at Santa Cruz Subaru. If you get use out of the videos and you appreciate what I do, please hit the little Santa Cruz Subaru wave down there. Hit that subscribe button, like the videos. It really helps me out. Lets my bosses know that their money is well spent, and let me keep doing what I do. All right, let's get into it. All right, so Subaru headlights, incredibly easy, but believe it or not, it's something that I get questions about all the time. So the vast majority of you are going to have a setup that looks like this. So you have the twisty knob on the end and this guy right here in the middle. So you see the slash is on the 0. That means your headlights will not come on. All Subarus, the second the parking brake comes off and you go into drive, will have daytime running lights. So it's impossible to drive without any form of lights on. What I recommend is most people clicking up in the auto. So as you can see, it's a beautiful, nice sunny day. That little sensor right by my wallet right there is a light sensor. It senses that it's light outside, and so there's no headlights. If I cover that light sensor with my wallet, and we're pretending that it's dark outside, it's going to take a second to register here. And cover it a little bit better. And as you can see, we've tricked the car into thinking that it's nighttime. Also tied into this is a really cool feature called Wiper Link. So if I turn on my windshield wipers, doesn't matter how bright it is, the car thinks it's raining. After several revolutions of the windshield wipers, the car will automatically turn on your headlights because that's the law. Also, if we push away from us, activate the high beams, you're going to see a little green egg come on down there. My eyesight cameras up here recognize that it's sunny out, there's brightness out, it's seeing light, that high beams do not come on. What this is truly for is dark, windy road, you're going around, you got your high beams on, the car will see another car coming head to head with you, it'll automatically dim your high beams for you, and they'll automatically come back on. Remember, this system sees light, it doesn't see headlights, it sees all forms of light. So if you turn your high beams on and the car sees street lights, your high beams will truly not be on because the car sees those street lights. What I get a lot is people want to turn their headlights on and they just go to this guy. This is one that I've never used in the many years I've been a Subaru owner. Those are called parking lot lights. It does still keep the light thing on, which is confusing, and actually that logo matches that logo, which leads lots of people to think that that's headlights, but that is not headlights. Those are parking lot lights. And then this guy is your headlights. So it doesn't matter how bright it is, I've turned the headlights on. If you activate the high beams go on, and it doesn't matter that it's nice and sunny out, you don't need them, but the high beams are on. So lots of people want to drive with their headlights on all the time. I don't understand that, but you can do it. Where I recommend it is in the auto. Just means the car is going to do everything for you. Another question I get is this little guy right here. See the little logo come on, off. These are fog lights. Another question I get all the time are, what are fog lights for? Fog lights are for fog. We have fog in our area. Fog lights help you be visible to other cars. They really don't help you see any better. They just help you be visible. They are extremely expensive, so I always recommend just use them when it's foggy. So that is your headlights on most of your Subarus. Thanks for watching.